This is a right angle triangle. 3, 4, unknown side x. Other one, this one also right angle triangle, longest side 13 and one of the side with right angle 12, other one 1. Uda, the method to find unknown side of right angle triangle, when they given any two sides, you can use Pythagoras relationship. Can you remember the Pythagoras relationship is always square root of longest side. X to the power 2 is equal to sum of the square number of other two sides. 3 squared plus 4 squared. 3 squared means 3 times 3, 9. 4 squared, 16 is x to the power 2. Then x to the power 2 equal 16 plus 9, 25. Cancel to power 2. Used square root sign to other side. X equal plus or minus 25. It is plus or minus 5. But side length cannot negative. It is x equal 5. I'm going to next one. Same pattern. Longer side 13. 13 squared equal 12 squared plus y squared. Now find square values of 139 equal 144 and y squared. The numbers are changed to same side. 169 minus 144 equal to y to the power 2. Y to the power 2 equal 25. Again y equals square root of 25 is 5. Right. අපි මේකට කියනවා Pythagoras relationship එක කියලා. මම මේකේ next level එක තව වීඩියෝ එකදී පුතත් එක්ක discuss කරනවා. Thank you.